Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. I've got a unique trailer for you today. It's a 2004 38-foot gooseneck trailer by S&S Welding, Greenwood, Nebraska. So S&S Welding, very small, privately owned company, comparable quality to T&E, Gold Rush, that type of quality. They use an all-steel tube chassis or frame with aluminum skin, okay? So this is an 04, but it doesn't really resemble an 04 model, okay? This trailer was completely redone back in 2019 or 2020, I believe. New skin, new axles, new paint on the frame, new lights, you name it, they done it back about 3 or maybe 4 years ago. It's got tires on it that were replaced in 2022. They are 17.5-inch wheels with oil bath hubs, and I believe they're 7,000-pound axles. I'll have to verify that, but I believe they're 7,000-pound axles. It does have the gate that comes down in the back, the ramp door. Let me back up here where you can get the whole thing. There we go. So do a little video of the outside here, and then we'll go inside. It's got cabinets, a winch, an onboard own-in generator. Look at that. That literally looks like a mirror finish. Side entry door. S&S hasn't built many of these, so if you're in the market for a gooseneck trailer and you're looking for something high quality that's not a high production type deal, look no further. And it does have 7,000-pound axles with oil bath hubs and 17.5-inch wheels on it. So we'll go around. I'm going to open up the two compartments here on the front. I'm going to drop the back door and then open the side door up, and we'll do a little tour of the inside. Appreciate you watching. For more information, price, and photos, please check out chasecoach.com. All right, here we go. So up on the, I guess you would call gooseneck part of it, it has two compartments, or one big compartment with two doors. On this side, it's got an onboard air compressor. The line comes off, hooks into an outlet, which puts air pressure throughout lines in the trailer. There's a couple inside, and I think one on a reel back in the back. On this side, it's got a 5,500-watt own-in gas generator with a little onboard fuel tank. Plenty of fuel to get you through the weekend. And again, this trailer was redone inside and out. So when you think 2004, I know that's, well, going on 20 years old. So the only thing that's really 04 is probably the original frame, but they stripped it down all the way to bare metal and redone it. So up here in the front, you have a cabinet package with some overhead cabinets and then a lower base with three big doors. And when you open those two doors over there, it actually has room for a rear end to go in there. So three big doors on the bottom. The two on the right actually have a compartment that runs full length between those two doors. Nice overhead. All redone with OEM S&S parts too. Up front here, you got a storage. It's probably, I'm going to say 4 foot deep, maybe 5 foot deep, and then the full width of the trailer with an LED light. All new LED lighting throughout this trailer. The Cummins own-in 5,500-watt generator controls there. New stereo system. It does have a walk-on roof. The roof was also replaced. It's got the roof hatch with a ladder, tire rack. Everything was freshly powder coated. Even has a little deal there to put your tie-down straps on. Enough space up here to put an ATV and a small pit box. And then it's got ramp overs. There is storage in the ramp over, so very neat how they done that. Storage on each side, aluminum floor. And back here, this one actually has a 4,000-pound, one of the Dayton winches, very similar to a Warren, and it has the synthetic rope in it. So then you walk on out, ramp door with the aluminum flap, and I'll turn around here, and there you have it. My phone kind of makes it look like a yellow lighting. It's actually really bright white lighting. I don't know why the phone makes it look like that, but white walls. You can see you've got an onboard air reel and an electric reel built in. You've got another outlet there. So very, very nice. The trailer was redone by Predator out in Nebraska, and they done a fantastic job on the rebuild of this trailer. So everything was replaced, metal, axles, interior, exterior, and it can be bought for quite a bit less than what it would cost new. So any questions, give me a ring. I appreciate you watching. And visit chasecoach.com for all the pictures. I took about 75 or so pictures of it this evening. And just give me a shout if we can help you. Trades accepted. We deliver nationwide, and we also have some pretty competitive financing options on this one. Thanks again. Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky.